Welcome to this tutorial on more on Edit Maps. In this tutorial, we will learn to add ground overlay, select an item, add a polygon hole, remove an item, and clear all annotations. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.12.20, and a working internet connection. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20. To practice this tutorial, learners should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. The files used in this tutorial are given in the code files link. Please download and extract the files to desktop. I have downloaded and saved the files to my desktop folder. I have opened the Marble interface. We have already learned about some icons in the Edit Maps panel. I have added a place mark, a polygon, and a path on the map. First, we will learn to add ground overlay to our map. A ground overlay is an image that can be added onto a map. I will add an image of an Indian flag on the location of India on the map. Click on the Add Ground Overlay icon in the Edit Maps panel. Edit Ground Overlay dialog box opens. Click on the Browse button at the top left corner of the dialog box. Open File Marble Virtual Globe dialog box opens. I have saved my file in the desktop folder. Double-click on the desktop folder. From the folder, select the desired image. Here you can see the image India-flag.png. Select the image by clicking on it. The same name appears in the file name field. Note that the image file should be in .png file format. Click on the Open button in the box. Image is seen on the Browse button. In the name field, type the name as India-flag. Click on OK button in the Edit Ground Overlay dialog box. Image appears on the map. Resize the image using the arrow handles. You can also drag and drop the image as per your choice. Next icon is Select Item. Select Item option can be used to select an item on the map. I will zoom in and select the polygon area Kerala. All the nodes appear on the polygon area. This indicates that the polygon area is in selected mode. Right-click on the polygon area. A context menu opens. Click on Properties option. Add Polygon dialog box opens. We will change the color of our polygon area. Click on the color box under Area. Select Color window opens. I will select brown color. Click on the OK button in the window. Click on the OK button at the bottom right corner of Add Polygon dialog box. Notice that the color of the polygon area has changed from magenta to brown. We can copy and paste this polygon area anywhere on the interface. Left-click on the polygon area. Polygon area is in selected mode. Right-click on the polygon. Select Copy option from the context menu. I will paste this polygon outside the map. Let us now delete this polygon. Right-click on the polygon area. Select Remove option from the context menu. A message, "Are you sure you want to remove the current item?" appears. Click on the Yes button. The polygon is removed from the map. We can place this polygon anywhere on the map using the drag and drop method. Now we will move this polygon outside the map. Let us move back the polygon to its previous location. Similarly, we can change the properties of any item that is added on the map. Next item is Add Polygon Hole. To highlight an area on the polygon, we can use Add Polygon Hole icon. Holes can be made in the existing polygon to highlight a particular region. Go to the polygon area Kerala and zoom in. Here I will add a polygon hole in the region of Malappuram. Click on the Add Polygon Hole icon. Start marking nodes on the region of Malappuram. Observe that Malappuram area is marked with a polygon hole. Next icon is Add Nodes. We can add more nodes using the Add Nodes icon. I will now extend the Pune to Satara path. Click on Add Nodes icon. Select the path from Pune to Satara named as Path-1. Place the cursor on the ending node and drag it to the desired location. I will extend the path to Kolhapur. Next, we will learn to remove items on the map. To remove any item from the map, we can use Remove Item icon. I will now remove Path 1 from the map. Go to Path 1 and click on it. Click on Remove Item icon in the panel. A message, "Are you sure you want to remove the current item?" appears. Click on the Yes button. Path 1 has been removed from the map. Click on Clear All Annotations icon. A message, "Are you sure you want to clear all annotations?" appears. This option is used to remove all the items created on the map. Since I don't want to remove the items on the map, I will click on Cancel button. Click on View menu. Notice that all the icons in Edit Maps panel are also available in the View menu. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to add ground overlay, select an item, add a polygon hole, remove an item, clear all annotations. An assignment for you. Locate Australia on the map and add its flag as ground overlay. Hint: the image of the flag of Australia is provided in the code files link. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This tutorial is contributed by Vijay Nair and Madhuri Ganpati from IIT Bombay. Thank you for watching.